A box opened at the top has its outer dimensions 10 cm by 9 cm by 2.5 cm and its thickness is 0.5 cm. Find the volume of the metal. See this, it is open at the top. So when you find the height, the outer dimensions is what? 2.5, right? So this height is 2.5. So it will decrease only once, means 0.5 only once. Whereas in length outer is 9. So inner will be 9 minus 0.5 minus 0.5, 2 times, right? Breadth 10 minus 0.5 minus 0.5, 2 times. But height 2.5 minus only once 0.5 because it's open at the top, right? This is the only crux of the problem. Remaining things are easy in this problem. So the inner dimensions are 9 by 8 by 2, right? In height, the thickness is to be subtracted only once, right, as it is open. So outer volume is 10 by 9 by 2.5, find it, 225. Inner volume 9 by 8 by 2, 144. So the metal required is what? 225 minus 144, that is 81 centimeter cube. That is the required answer. Next,